Hello, you beautiful person. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a gradient background. Create gradient background in CapCut PC. This is a new tutorial, so let's jump right into this video. And I hope it's going to help you. I hope you're going to learn something. So to create a gradient, we just need a image. You can do it with video as well, I believe, but I think it's better with an image. It's just easier and it's just better from multiple for it's just better for several reasons, but yeah, just use the image. Now click on here basic and go in none and select color and select the color that you want to create your gradient, green, yellow, and now just move this here for several reasons. And now just create compound clip, drag the other one and you get the same image, and for several reasons. And now color red, several reasons, move this here, and now several reasons, move this this, and now several reasons. And now I'm gonna grab this, move this here for several reasons, move this boat here, and now I'm gonna copy boat and rotate, and now I'm just gonna go here, mask, and now here I'm just gonna add this one here and add like this, or you can also go on here and then go in basic and you go to multiply. Now you copy both and you increase, and now you can go to the first one and you can select from multiply to overlay, soft, color dodge, multiply usually it's good, and now just increase this and decrease. Now you already have a gradient here, but I'm just showing you that you can just change this and move this the way you want. You can also go here and move this gradient like this, increase this and decrease. So I really hope guys you found this tutorial helpful. I really hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.